I'm Tim Hoy with HOJ Innovations. We've been working with KNS for many years. This recent project is the consolidation of 2 warehouses into this forecasted growth where they're going to be in this, now the 3rd warehouse we've done. This 3rd warehouse is bringing together a lot of technologies that HOJ Innovations bring to customers, from the pallet racking systems, the wire decking, the storage solutions, the dock equipment, the dock seals, and ultimately technologies that they use to fulfill e-commerce orders.
As KNS grew even more, we added a facility, and HOJ came in and helped us to engineer and design a way that we could do our replenishments much quicker and more efficiently. Moving to this shoe sorter on this conveyor has been a huge change. The accuracy of the sort is fantastic, much better than what we had before.
HOJ is able to deliver and install the new warehouse before Q4. This allowed KNS to begin operations in this warehouse months before we anticipated. Working with HOJ, KNS designed a new conveyor that doubled our throughput from the previous conveyor.
From installing the actual hardware to being able to use the sorter, that was probably about a week and a half. We're going from 3 individual sorters to 1 single sorter, and they were able to meet the demands of their Christmas rush, sending thousands and thousands of packages down this line a day, accurately sorting so that their workers didn't have to rely on looking at each individual package before they put it on the pallet, and they could just be as efficient as possible in getting those pallets out, getting onto the trucks and out to their customers.
We have a hydro conveyor system with our automation team, and also a HOJ Innovations control system with back-off controls, very innovative way to supply conveyor controls to marketplace. We love working with KNS. They've been an innovative company that has been embracing and interested in bringing technologies to the floor to help them get better.